Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to yet another 4C video. Today let's talk about a little bit about Bitcoin dominance and why potentially we could already be seeing bottom on alts, right? Want to talk about this a little bit about the topic, but before I go forward with the topic, I would like to say that we got filled really nicely on Ethereum longs, and we also got filled really nicely on BTC short that already hit the profit target. And this is what I was telling you in the last video, how you can hedge to protect yourself. And now basically it doesn't matter which side it goes, we will make money, or at least be break even, right? Obviously we will make a lot more money if it goes up, but even if it goes down, we are not losing any money. And this is what I'm like to see when we're doing a capital preservation trades, right? This is exactly what I mostly focus on my career, to always do capital preservation trades. And obviously you do make less money, but you're feeling way more safe when you're going to bed, or you just go out and party or something. But obviously not now, because it's during the corona times, right? So yes, right now I'm pretty sure you've all seen this this chart. I've done this chart quite a while ago. I've used this chart many times in the streams, which are weekly. And obviously I gotta mention that you could be joining us tonight on a stream where we're gonna do a little bit of this, and we're just gonna check these things out a little bit deeper, do a little bit deeper analysis on it, right? But now I just want to talk about why, potentially speaking, the bottom for altcoins could be in, right? And that I'm mostly speaking that for both, for USDT contracts and BTC contracts, right? So looking at this graph, we recently, we did a most basic reversal here. I like to call it a V-shaped reversal, right? And I trade things like this all the time. And I actually said that here, when the price was right here, oh shit guys, this is gonna be a little bit bullish, and I'm gonna be hoping that it's only gonna tag this area. But if it's not gonna only tag this area, we're gonna test all the way up here. And exactly what happened at the end, Bitcoin went on one of the biggest runs that we had in the late, right? I mean, we pushed all the way up to 16K, and surprisingly speaking, the Bitcoin dominance followed all the way up to 66 or 67 even, right? So we basically tagged our last circle, which is where I'm expecting, or let's just say if this was a conventional chart, I would short it right in this circle, right? So what do we have to look for out now to actually see if the alt runs is going to happen, right? Or if the bottom for the alts is in. So basically when we are hanging around this area right now, we have to break down from it, right? This is now the most important area for us to break down, exactly right here. And then we're going to retest this level again. And if this level doesn't hold, then most likely I'm gonna be going big in alts again, right? If this level doesn't hold, I will be doing alt videos left and right, like I did it back in the day, right? Back in July or back in September, where we had really good runs. We were winning almost every alt video I did. Because if we break under this circle right here, the first circle, it is important area that we first stopped at it. And now if you go test it from the other side and you actually lose it, that kind of tells you that you're bearish, right? That kind of tells you that really early signs of bearishness, right? So when we look at Bitcoin dominance from a larger perspective, you can see that the chart temporarily, since we break down all the way to up down here, right, it is actually bearish because we never broke this level, right? So yes, on macro higher time frames, it is bearish still. But since, you gotta look at it like this, that since 2016, we had thousands and thousands of projects listed on CoinMarketCap, right? So every day you have a bunch of new projects added in, and you need to know that those projects actually eat away money from the Bitcoin, right? And also, let's be honest, right? The obvious king right now is Ethereum, since, the Bitcoin is kind of losing that thing that makes him king, because it's not as usable as Ethereum, right? Of course, Ethereum has its own problems with, high gas and all of that, but most of the useful things that are based on blockchain are made on Ethereum, right? So obviously, I'm not gonna say Ethereum is a solution, it's gonna be the best thing in crypto, right? But I'm saying that Bitcoin is kind of losing its ground. It's not as useful as it once was, right? So you cannot so even though I'm saying this chart is obviously, from a normal standpoint, it's obviously bearish, this is a little bit different perspective because it is dominance, it's not regular chart, right? But from my best tier perspective, I can tell you this, that even the chart is not conventional. If we lose this level, can basically tell you that alt runs will be, or should I say altcoins analysis and altcoin trades are going to be popping left and right? And we're mostly going to be entering, if that happens, we're mostly going to be trading BTC contracts, because BTC contracts right now, if you check alts on BTC contracts, most of them that didn't do so good in the last alt run are probably in the newer low. Even the ones that did pretty good are probably really close, if not even on the new lows, right? And those will probably pump the most. It probably you won't be seeing as much as USDT pumps, which again, it's probably gonna happen, right? But you will most likely see a lot more BTC contracts pumps due to the fact that they are so underextended, right? And they need to have a little bit of a breather, right? For that, Bitcoin has to go sideways or down a little bit, and we will still see if Ethereum is gonna start picking up from Ethereum BTC contracts as well. So yes, guys, I will do a bigger analysis on BTC dominance tomorrow on stream, or I mean today when this video is released. It's gonna be today. Also, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, you know, punch that notification button, because we do make these videos every day except on Sunday. And also join us on our free, you know, crypto news channel, where we discuss stop losses, where we discuss, we do Bitcoin analysis, Ethereum analysis on daily, and we also post our latest videos and opportunities, right? So do join us there, follow us there, guys, and we will be seeing each other in the next one.